All right, guys. Welcome to this session with Coach Blessing. In this tutorial, in this video, I'll be showing you how to sign up on one of the platforms that we are going to be exploring today. These platforms allows you to participate in website testing, app testing, online interviews. These are higher surveys where you get the chance to speak with a researcher, share your opinion, and get paid for doing that. Now, before we sign up, I need to walk you through the kind of things to expect. All right. The site we are going to be exploring is Tandemz.io, and basically, when you sign up, this is how they invite you for studies. So you need to always check your email because most of their invites may end up under your promotions. And if you don't check, you may not know. All right. So here are the kind of things you expect. Tandemz, new survey. They now start, they give you surveys, they give you study. So the difference is that surveys just simply means you answering questions. But study requires you talking, participating in higher researches that involves you navigating a website, exploring the user experience of an app or a website. So it doesn't matter whether you have a computer or not. There's always something for everyone. So if you see here, new survey, and $1.70 gift card or equivalent in your currency by taking part in this study. We would like to learn more about how you bank. Now, the moment you see this description, you should know that this study or this survey is about banking. So every answer you're giving must align with this banking. All right. Now, going down here, you see, based on your profile, we think you could be a good match for the following study. We would like to learn about how you bank. This is the study, the survey description or topic. So provide your unique feedback by answering a few questions, completing a short task, and having the opportunity to share your thoughts and ideas. You'll be required to complete screener question outside of Tandemz to be eligible for this study. All right. So whenever you receive an email, please read it. The reason why some persons don't succeed is because they don't read to follow instruction. Everything here is very clear. You'll be required to complete a screener question. So screener questions are the preliminary questions that they ask you. That is when you are now applying to take part. So these questions will determine if the researcher will invite you, if you are part of the target audience they are looking for. All right. Now, look at the duration for this study. It's 10 minutes maximum. The study format is survey. All right. So it's just you answering question. As thank you for your participation, you will receive €1.70 gift card or equivalent in your currency. So we are going to be using United Kingdom, and our currency is pounds or Great British pounds. So the device that is allowed is computer or tablet. So every study, every survey you do, there's always going to show you allowed device. Some website will say environment or allowed devices that you can use to participate. So here you can use your computer or tablet. Even our smartphone can work. You can put your smartphone on desktop mode and you'll still be able to participate. Now, this link is personal and it links to your profile. Do not share it. Once you click on sign up to the study, it takes you directly to your profile. All right. So that's it. That's how it works. So let's look at the second one. This is now a new study for you. €100 gift card or equivalent in your currency by taking part in the study. Future of B2B purchase. All right. This one is going to be an interview. Our client and office supplier and PPE retailer is exploring how business purchasing will look by 2030 and would love to learn from your experience. You see, that is research for you. So going down, the duration is 16 minutes. The study format is by video call. So you need to join by video call. As thank you for your participation, you will receive 100 euros, but this will be converted to pounds and paid you in pounds. Allowed device is computer. So this one is very clear. You must do this with computer. Study require use of your webcam and your microphone. So you must show up with your webcam turned on and then access to your microphone so that when you speak, they will hear you. So this is it. So let's just go ahead to sign up. Then in the consequent video, I will show you how to apply for some of these projects. So come and tell us how you plan your trip. Funny thing is that I didn't even see all these emails all this while until today. So you see how that can affect you. I think this was the one that I saw last. This was the one that I saw last, and I did not apply because the requirement was that I must have a certain account, and I don't have it. So now let's go ahead and open an account. I'm going to be using Edge. You can use any browser of your choice. And like I said, having multiple accounts on Tandemz is not bad. They don't track your device IP. So you can have one account on Chrome, another one on Firefox, another one on Edge. So what this does for you is that increases your chances of getting qualified. If you apply here, you can use a different answer because at some point you may not really know what the researcher is looking for. So you applying in different places using different profile gives you the chance of qualifying. So you're going to come to your to your browser and type tandemz.io. Then once you type, you send it. All right. So this is the one that we are going to be using. Get paid by testing digital products. All right. bilendi.us.com. All right. So this is the participant website. So http www.bilendi.us.com. So let's open this one. All right, so we are here. Test website, share your opinion, create a better future. Okay, so it's also important that whenever you're on a website, please go through the information there. All right. Now, for your information, Tandemz is more like a France platform or website, yes. but they accommodate people from Europe. So that's why we are using United Kingdom as our location. All right. And most times when you come on their platform, you're going to be seeing some of the information in France. So you can always use your browser to change your language from French to English. All right. You translate from French to English. So let's just go ahead and sign up. I'll show you how you can do that when you're ready on your dashboard. So test website. So this is actually for us that want to earn money from testing. We are not here to conduct research. We are here to participate in research. All right. So you click on join the community. And then join our community and start applying to studies today. So you start with entering your first name. All right. So you can enter any name of your choice. They don't ask for ID card verification. No. So you select your country of residence using this drop down arrow icon here. So you type United Kingdom and then you picked United Kingdom. You select it from the list. Click to agree to the participant privacy policy and then click on create account. Now you're going to receive an OTP to verify your account. So you go to your email. So once you have entered the code, they will be the one to confirm the code. All right, email verification code has been validated. So now you're logged into your account. What type of topics would you like to give your opinion on? Discuss and test day-to-day products, cosmetic, transportation applications. Then you select this option. Discuss and test innovation products related to your business or industry. You click this, then you just come and select both. All right, so you select both, meaning you're interested in just the consumer topic and professional topic. So what study format would you like to do? So you would like to do remote testing and no appointment. No appointment means the one that you just do, which is the basic survey that you can just answer. It doesn't have to do with you booking appointment or selecting a date. But in-person study means you have to go there live. Come and test innovative products. We will only invite you to studies close to where you live. So but we cannot do this kind of study except you live in the United Kingdom. All right, so once you have selected these two, you click on fill my profile. So welcome Annie, let's get to know each other. So you click continue. Now we are filling our profile. Like this is your demographic information. So follow me closely so that you see how you fill your profile on Tandemz. So your birth dates, I usually say you can use between 25 to 30 years for male, for female, and then within that same range to 35 for male. So you select the year. I set, then my gender is female. If you are a male, please select your gender. All right, so you click on continue. Now personal situation, family situation, use the drop down arrow to select couple with children, means you are married and you have kids. Your educational level, you have a professional degree. Your income, you are upper middle class. So let's just maintain average. All right, so your professional situation, you are working full-time. That's what it means. Upper middle class, professional degree, couple with children. Then you click on continue to save. All right, so your professional profile, working situation is already that you're working. Your job title, you can say you are an IT manager. All right, IT manager or human resource manager. Any of this works. Your company size, 51 to 200 or 201 to 500. Your hierarchy level, you are a manager. All right, you can use decision maker, manager, or an employee, but just say you are a manager. All right, so what industry do you work with? Information and communication technology. But you can decide to personalize your profile based on what you like or your area of specialty. That can also bring you surveys that will match your profile and surveys that you are very, very good at. So I'm going to be using recruitment and HR. You have the option to select more than one. Then I will go to uh, e-commerce. All right, and the last one I'm going to be using is information and communication technology. So banking, insurance, and finance is also a good industry. It gives you surveys, especially for some specific sites. All right, so tech and digital. So now your company type. Your company type is it a business to business? Is it business to customer? Is it so I'm gonna select both business to business and business to customer, because this I think they only allow you pick one. So they only allow you pick one. So but let me leave this. You can always change this, all right? So I'm gonna be leaving this for now, and then I can always change it anytime if I'm not getting started. So LinkedIn profile URL is not a must. Of course, you don't have a UK LinkedIn, so please do not just add any LinkedIn that would affect your account. So you just click on continue. Now, what kind of devices do you have? Some studies only work on certain devices. I explained this before. What's your tech savviness? How good are you when it comes to tech? So you say, I use computer and smartphone every day, and I have good knowledge of how hardware or software are built. No, we can just go for the second one. I use computer and smartphone every day professionally and or recreationally to browse social media, read news, stream music videos, play games. All right. So let's go with this. And then devices you own. You own a tablet, you own a computer, you own a tablet, you own a smartphone, you own a smartwatch. Just make sure you select everything. Your computer's operating system, mine is Windows, so you can select yours if it is Mac OS or Linux. Your tablet operating system, I'm going to go for Android. Your smartphone operating system, Android, of course. Your smartwatch operating system, I go for Apple. So with this, you click on continue. Here are the studies that might suit you. So let's see if they have anything for us. So they say our profile is 86% complete. So we still have work to do. Now, if you look here, you will see that everything is showing in everything here is showing in French. So how do you change your language? So you go to your profile. This is your profile here. You go to your profile. All right. So here, this is where you enter your phone number. All right. So let's verify our phone number. Meanwhile, for you to change your browser, for you just click here on the menu icon on your browser, and then you go to translate. All right, and then you see that it has been translated from French to English. So that's how you change the language anytime you notice that on your account. So now I'm going to enter my phone number. You can use temp number here. I show you how to get temporal number. So you can use temp number here. You must not buy number. They don't have anything to do with your number. They just want to verify your number, just for you to enter a number and save it. That's all. So with this, I will just click on save and backup successful. All right. So now let's go back to our profile. So these are your contact information, all right? But they don't contact you through number. They only contact you through your email. So make sure you always check the spam and promotion folder of your email, because most times that's where their messages end up. So now let's go back to our profile. So this is your dashboard here. Good to see you again, Annie. So our profile is 90% complete, but we need to make sure it's 100% complete. So now they said there are no studies that match your profile at the moment. So as you can see, once there is a study, they'll invite you. And when you come here, you're going to see the study here. These are the past, these are coming soon. These are the ones you've been selected to participate. So this is how you navigate the platform. So this is where you see your notification, and this is where you can contact support. All right. This icon here is for you to contact support. So I just want you to get used to. All right. So let's go back to our profile. This is where you click to open your profile. This email box here. Okay. So now, look here, our profile personal, that is our personal profile, is not complete. And that's why we are still having 90% out of 100. So let's come here to our personal profile and then see what is left for us to fill. All right, so I think it's just our postcode and address that we have not entered. So let's use the translate option here. So get priority on studies that take place in your country or city. So our country is already United Kingdom. So select your city. I'm going to be using Cambridge for this account. All right, so Cambridge, UK. Then postcode. Please don't use the same postcode with me. Get your own postcode. Use your own unique postcode. We must not all register on a platform with the same postcode. That is going to raise a security concern on the platform, and it may make them to start suspecting or banning account. So with this, you click to save. All right, to save. And then you say that now our profile will be 100% complete. So let's go back to our homepage. All right, so you see our profile is 100% complete. Once they study, this is where you're going to see available studies. This is where you get notification, and this is where you contact support in case you have anything. So guys, always check out on your email. Tandemz will always invite you to your email. Check your promotion folder. Apply the moment you see them. All right, so I'm going to show us how to apply for some of this study, because I already have an account with them, the previous accounts that we walked through. I don't know if some of those my studies are still available, but I'm going to try them, and if they are, I will show you how to apply. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.